everyone, and thank you for joining us here on Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. Let's all be honest with ourselves. Nobody really likes filling out a survey, and this one really doesn't look all that appealing. But what if I told you that this survey really matters, and it really could affect you the next time a disaster hits? It could. The Alcorn County Emergency Management Agency is updating its hazard mitigation plan, and they aren't the only ones. Here is a look at the flyer. Don't worry, we will show this again. It's also posted on Facebook. EMA Director Evan Givens in Alcorn County says the plan identifies the hazards that threaten our counties and communities. So think tornadoes, floods, severe storms, drought, and of course winter weather. Who could forget January's ice storm, right? And it lays out what can be done to reduce the impact before a disaster hits. It also helps counties and communities stay eligible for state and federal disaster grants, money that the county could miss out on without this survey. So please fill it out. MEMA wants to hear from anyone in District 2. That includes Alcorn, Benton, Itawamba, Lafayette, Lee, Marshall, Pontotoc, Prentiss, Tippah, Tishomingo, and Union counties. As promised, here is that flyer again. As I mentioned, it is on our Facebook page, the Alcorn County Emergency Management Agency's Facebook page as well. Remember, it is your county, it is your voice. Scan that QR code there on your screen. Do it by August 30th and fill out that survey. So check your fridge. This time, we're not talking lettuce. There is an egg recall. The FDA is worried about possible salmonella poisoning. Midwest Poultry Services is voluntarily recalling more than 1.6 million cartons of white shell eggs and brown cage-free eggs. Also, Texas, Louisiana, Arkansas, Oklahoma, and New Mexico are on this list. Mississippi as well. Yes, we are included. Health officials report no deaths, but nearly 100 illnesses were confirmed, with more than 24 people hospitalized. The eggs were sold at Kroger in Texas and Louisiana, at Brookshire stores in Arkansas and in Mississippi. Keks, ja? That's yes cookie in German. I figure we need to brush up on our German since Germany's largest cookie manufacturer is investing in a new plant in Mississippi. The company Grieson de Boykalar. Sorry guys, I tried. It is a 100-year-old German cookie maker, and they announced plans to invest $70 million in a new facility that'll add 40 jobs in Madison County. The company exports snacks to more than 40 countries and employs more than 2,000 people worldwide. Danke. Thank you so much for joining us here on Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. Have a great night.